Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be going through how to edit the header, editing the logo, editing and adding the menu, and editing the footer. The header of the website is at the top of the website, so we'll be learning how to edit the logo and the menu. I'm now logged in into the editor account. To edit the header, we go to Appearance, Customize, and Header Builder. Now this is the header builder. As you can see, the header is made out of a site title and logo, a menu, and a button. Let's edit where the button goes. So right now, the button says Explore Now and it goes to Contact. Let's change it to Explore Service, Our Services, and let's let it go to Services. Publish. And where does it go now? Let's refresh. Our Services, I click it, and it goes to Services. Okay. See, this link, we can paste the entire link here. Okay, it can be like this or like this. It's the same. Let's publish this. All right, now let's change our logo. To change the logo, we click on the site title and click on Change Logo. We'll now have to select our logo. I'll upload a logo by clicking on Upload Files, and then you can drag your logo in. In my case, I'll select File. This is the logo. Open and select. Skip cropping. Okay, that's my logo. From here, I can adjust the width if I want my logo to be bigger or smaller. Let's adjust it to 200 pixel. On desktop and on tablet, I will put it at 150 pixel. On mobile, 150 pixel as well. Okay, now publish. Let's see what it does. It changes my logo. Note that header will apply to the entire website, meaning right now if I were to go to my in the services page, as you can see, if I were to go to the about page, the logo is changed as well. Okay, so header applies to the entire website. Your footer will apply to the entire website as well. Okay, let's go back to customize. Back. Let's go to my desktop. Okay, now let's edit our menu. The menu is the top over here, which is the primary menu. Okay, where do we edit the menu? Let's close this. And we'll be back in the dashboard. To edit the menu, we go to Appearance, Menus. This is where we can edit the menu. Let's add something new to our menu. Right now, we are editing the primary menu. To view the pages, click on View All to view all the pages you have on your website. Or, if it's a blog, you go to Post, View All. This will be all the posts that you have. Posts are blog posts. So, I'd like to add my terms and condition page to the menu. All right, Now the terms and condition page is added. Let's save the menu and see what it does. We refresh the page. See, now the terms and condition page is up. Now, let's say instead of terms and condition, we'll just like it to say terms. Okay, go back to the menu. We click on the little arrow and say terms. Now we save the menu. Let's refresh the page and now it says terms. Now, let's delete this from our menu. To delete it, we click on the little arrow and click on remove. Save the menu and let's see if it's removed. Now see, the menu is removed. Now, let's add a new menu. To create a new menu, click on create a new menu. Now we'll create a footer menu, F-O-O-T-E-R menu. Click on create menu. Now we are at the footer menu. To edit the footer menu, make sure the footer menu is selected. If you want to edit the primary menu, click on primary menu, select. Okay, make sure the footer menu is selected. Select. Okay, now let's add something to the footer menu. I'll click on view all. In the footer menu, I'd like to add my home page, my about page, contact page, service page, privacy policy, and terms and condition page. I'll select all of this and click on select and click on add to menu. Okay, now let's edit the sequence, contact below, privacy policy, terms and condition. Okay, now I would like this to just say privacy and this to just say terms. Okay, now let's save the menu. So currently, this footer menu will not be displayed because I haven't told it where to display yet. This footer menu, I would like it to display here in the footer. So let's try to edit our footer. Let's go back to the dashboard. So how do I edit my footer? I'll go to Appearance, Customize. Instead of Header Builder, I will now go to Footer Builder. Now this is the structure of my footer. As you can see, there is widget 1, which is about. Widget 3 is the contact. Widget 2 is the address. And copyright, which is the thing below. Now, you would think that to edit this, I will go to widget 1. But this is not where we edit widget 1. To edit the widgets, let's go back to our dashboard. We'll go to Appearance, Widgets. Now let's scroll down a bit. And there is the Footer Builder Widget 1, Widget 2, which is the address, and Widget 3, which is the contact. And that is the same as about, contact, address. Okay. Now, let's edit the about. This is the text about the website. Full stop. Let's update this and see what it does. Refresh the page. This is the text about the website. Just like the header, now I'm at the home page. If I go to the about page, just like the header, the footer applies also to the entire website. To edit the contact and the address is the same thing. We go back to widgets. We edit the contact. Okay. Let's say we will want it to be hola@yourcompany.com. Okay, update, change it. Let's refresh. And it's now changed to hola. Okay, let's go back to widget. Like we said previously, I'd like the menu, the newly created footer menu, to display below, okay, instead of this contact. So what can I do? All right, let's add the footer menu. To add the footer menu, we click on the blank space over here, footer menu. Now we click on the footer menu, we click on configure menu from here, and we scroll down all the way to footer menu and select footer menu. Now it's all here. Let's publish this. We go back to the page and let's refresh the page. All right. Now the footer menu is here. Now I would like this to be in white and aligned to the left. How do I do it? Let's go back to the footer menu. Let's go back, footer builder, click on footer menu, and I'll click on design. Okay. Firstly, let's change the link to white. So if you hover over this, it says normal, hover, and active. We'll change the normal state to white, the hover state to yellow, and the active state to yellow. Okay, what does this mean? Let's publish and refresh the page. The normal state is white, the hover state is yellow, and the active state, because right now we are in the about page, okay, the active state will be yellow. If we change it to service, meaning we visit the service page, the active state for services will be yellow. Okay, now that we've changed the color of the menu, let's align it to the left. We go back to customize, footer menu as well. Under general, alignment to the left. Okay. We can also align the menu of the different devices. All right, meaning desktop aligned to the left. I click it again. On tablet, I'll align it to the left as well. And on mobile, I will align it to the right. Okay, I can do this. Publish. And let's see. All right. Now, the menu is just as I like it. Now, let's delete this. To delete that widget, we go back to desktop, click on widget 3, and click on remove element from grid. This X over here. Let's publish this. Refresh. There you go.